These angle template tools can be pretty handy, but they're pretty small and kind of pricey. So I'll be making a larger one out of 3/4 inch plywood. I'm starting off by ripping two pieces, 2 by 24 inches. Of course, you could make the pieces here whatever size you want. I follow up by ripping another two pieces, 2 by 12 inches. I'm marking a pivot point just 1 inch on all of the ends, just using my compass, because I'll be using the line here just to round it off, using the bandsaw and then cleaning it up with a sander afterwards. I'm using my drill press to initially drill out 1/4 inch holes on the ends of all these pieces. You can drill it out on both ends if you want, but one is just fine. This makes it easier to line up the fence distance on the router table. Using the router table, I'm routing 1/4 inch slots down the entire length of all of the pieces. Next, I'm changing the height on my router table to the height of a hex bolt head. Next, I'm routing out space for that hex bolt head, and this would be easier if I had a 7/16 router bit, but I just did this in a couple passes, and this worked just fine. You just have to be careful. Here's a better look at how it works. You see the hex bolt head just fits under there, and it'll be nice and flush with the bottom so it doesn't get in the way. Next, for assembly, it's very easy. I'm just using a hex bolt, and then above that I'm stacking these pieces like this. You can assemble these however you want, but basically it's just a washer and a wing nut to hold them in place and tighten it.